The deadlift, a power move that professional and amateur gym goers alike add to their workout routine. This compound movement engages many muscle groups such as the hamstrings, the erector spinae and lower back, and even the glutes. However, I've always avoided it because I thought it was dangerous for the lower back in the long term. But after having done some research, I learned about its benefits and decided to add it to my routine. Therefore, my video today is to see if I'm doing the exercise correctly. And if you're an avid gym goer or a coach, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. By the way, this guy, Ronnie Coleman, he's a beast. I apologize for the poor lighting, but the other side of the gym had too many people. I decided to start off with light weights in order to prepare myself, my muscles, my body and my form for when I add more weights. Now, from a different angle, observe my form. Once more, from a different angle, observe my form. In order to perfect my form, I watched several YouTube videos as examples and read quite a few articles. Now let's put all that knowledge that I've acquired to use.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Can't for my wins, I need my hands. Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that.
You should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that.
Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fight back? Or will you fight back?
The world would be a better place if everybody had a perfect deadlift, don't you think?
I've followed the steps to about 90%, I think. Now look at my form from another angle.
Yeah. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you, face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing.
Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks to Davis Diley for having such great content available online. And I hope you all have a great day. Ciao.
Give it to you straight, man, there's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't